What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're coming to do what I got for my birthday. What's today? Today is Thursday the 17th, and my birthday is September 22nd. But we have to go to a wedding this weekend, and I actually want to carry my items, and I also got Jordan something from Louis Vuitton as well. So let's get into it. So we got 3 bags, and then this. We're gonna start with this. So we're gonna start with this. And this is how many, y'all? And in there. Because I forgot I took it out. So here we go. So here it is in the dust bag. I forgot I had took it out. No, Jordan. So I forgot I had took it out. So I'm gonna open it.
Oh.
Yeah, and this is my Sarah Louis Vuitton monogram wallet. Yes, and I also got it hot stamped. Y'all can see that? With my initials is complimentary. So yeah, that is my first gift from hubby. And then sit right here, baby.
Okay.
You right there. So next we got this, and it says black on it. You can see it. So this is actually Jordan. So this is Jordan's gift from mommy and daddy. And comes with the dust bag as well. And I actually got her a Louis Vuitton bandeau. Isn't it pretty? That looks so gorgeous. So yeah. This is what, well, this is one of her birthday gifts. So yeah, so I got her the black and white Louis Vuitton bandeau. What are you doing? Girl, you messing up now. You don't do that. Oh, you doing too much, honey. I ain't need water thing yet. You'll be alright. You just gonna have to cry. Come on, play with the box. Alright, so next is mine. And I actually got a Louis Vuitton bandeau as well. So here we go. Alright, y'all, so I got me a bandeau as well. But I got the brown one. So this is what mine looks like. Come in. Come on. So yeah. I got the brown Louis Vuitton bando. So pretty. And then the last thing I got was actually my all-time favorite. Woo! And it did come with the box, but the boxes that they had actually didn't fit my the purse that I got. So yeah, she just gave me a box anyway. So my total the total altogether was over $4,000, but for the purse and the wallet, it's $36.57 and 23 cents. Y'all see that? Oh shit, let me make sure I don't show nothing else. So the total was $3,657.23 that hubby spent. And then our CA, her name was Lee. She's the sweetest. Anyway, here we go. Here we go. I got the Louis Vuitton On The Go and the large monogram. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my god, I can't wait to carry this. And I also have an organizer as well, but it's downstairs. And I'm not going to get it because I need to start packing. So yeah, let's get it clear. The other day. What's wrong, baby? Huh? So it has the red inside. And the one that I got has the black leather strap. Yeah, I love it. I'm so excited. Yay. Come on. You gonna tell them bye? Oh, Lord. Alright, y'all. Like I said, I just came to show y'all what we got. Jordan ain't let me do nothing as usual. As usual. As y'all should know this by now. It's so hard. It's so hard. But yeah. So tell them, say my birthday was September 7th. Tell them. So my birthday was September 7th. So I was 3 years old. Yeah, so if you don't know, we're all Virgos. So hubby birthday is August 30th. Jordan is September 7th, and mine is September 22nd. So yeah. So that is all, y'all. Say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
So we'll talk to you later. Give him a kiss. Mwah. And bye-bye.
Bye.